Hello and welcome all my dear students of second standard once again in today's grammar class. I hope you all have been good and you are taking care of your health and hygiene too, and I hope that soon we both will again be together in our classes and you will be studying live in the class. So my dear students, I hope that you even have watched the previous lecture of grammar in which we just started with the new chapter of past continuous tense. That was, yes, the new concept for you, but that was not very. So the concept of past continuous tense is such that if you have watched the previous lecture, will you be able to solve the exercise and the worksheet in today's lecture? Yes. So this is what we are going to do in this lecture. We're going to solve the exercise and the worksheet of past continuous tense. As you know that the first half part of the first exercise was already solved in the previous lecture after the explanation part. So you might be knowing that the second half part is left to be solved, which is what we will do today in the first part of the lecture. So please make sure that the students who are having the textbook today, they also have to keep the rough book because the exercise questions might be there with them, but worksheet questions might be new for them because you nowhere have the worksheet questions written in the textbook. So along with the textbook, you have to keep the rough book with you. And those who do not have textbook, they always have the rough books to solve and to write the answers of the exercise. So please be ready with your books. I'll give you a couple of seconds, and please make sure those who are writing in the rough book, they have to give proper heading in the header part so that whenever they want to revise later, they will have everything written and they can easily go back to that topic and revise that topic. So now I'm going to display the textbook first. Here in the textbook we have solved already till question H. Now we are going to start with the question I. So I hope that you are ready with your books. And before starting, you know that I already have explained you, but I have the habit of recalling whatever the concept was. So what was the concept? It was very easy. You had to just change the helping verb. It should be either were or was with the singular and were with the plural noun. So this is pretty easy to solve. This is what you even have, if you have watched the previous lecture, you might be knowing. So that is the reason why I always ask you to watch the lecture in the proper sequence, so that if you go in the proper sequence, everything step by step will be very much easy for you. Otherwise, if you jump on directly to the fourth or fifth lecture, yes, it may be tough for you to solve the tenses. So let's get started solving. Remember, you have to add ing with all the verbs given in the brackets because this is continuous form. So half mark you will easily score this way, and the remaining half part you have to observe the subject, whether it is singular or plural. If it is singular, you know that you have to use WA as was. If plural, you have to use were, WERE, were. And with you have to always use were, because you can use to point out one person or the group of people. So that is what I explained you in the previous lecture. Let's get started. Let us solve from question I. I hope that now you are ready with your books, pencils and whatever stationery is needed. Question I. We dashed a game when suddenly the lights went off. In the brackets, option is given play. So try to solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so what did you write? Did you try to write the answer? Please at least try. See, right or wrong, it is the part of life, but at least you should try. So first of all, I gave you the trick that you have to add ing with the verb. So verb here given is play. So you just have to add ing, PLAYING. Now what do you have to do? Here you can see V is written, WEV, which indicates first person plural. With plural, can you use was, we was playing? No, it is not correct. Moreover, it sounds very weird. With we, you have to use the helping verb were. We were playing a game when suddenly the lights went off. This is what the answer should be. Next question is I dashed when they arrived. Again here the verb in the brackets is given relax. No, I am not asking you to relax. I am asking you to find out the answer. So your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So relax, first of all you have to add ing, will become relaxing just by adding ing. So half marks are scored very easily. Then you have to observe the subject part. Subject part here I is written, which refers to singular. So with I, what will you use, were or was? You have to use was. I was relaxing when they arrived. Yes, sometimes you can use the word, the helping verb were, but when you're talking something which is not possible, like if I were the prime minister, here you can use I were because that's not possible, right? You're talking about past time. So at past time you were not the prime minister, you cannot recall the time, you cannot revise the time, so you cannot rewind it, so it is imaginary things. At that time you can use I were. Next question, the baby dashed for its toy. Verb is cry. You can see baby here is crying. So find out the answer. Half of the answer I already spoke. Yes. So please write the answer. What should be the answer? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so I hope that you have written the answer. So here the baby means we are only talking about one baby. If it was plural, it could be the babies. But here as it is singular, we have to use was. The baby was, cry will become crying, CRYING. So the baby was crying for its toy becomes the past continuous perfect sentence. I mean to say perfectly framed sentence, not past perfect continuous. Don't get confused. Question L. Priya dashed a letter to her grandmother yesterday. WRITE, right. Did you just remember something? I told you something related to the words ending with E in the previous lecture. Anyways, try to solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now here the word write is the verb is ending with E. So always you have to remove E and add ing if you want to make it continuous and if it is ending with E. So write will become writing. Priya. Priya is singular. So we have to use was. Priya was writing a letter to her grandmother yesterday. Hope you people are writing the answer in the given time. Please make sure this is the concept of practicing. If you are writing the answer, your book might be complete, but your mind is not complete of knowledge. you have to gather the knowledge, you have to practice it, only then will you be able to solve the sentences in the exam and will you be able to speak proper English, error-free English. Okay, question M. He dashed a blue shirt in the morning. Yes, try to solve it. See, here the verb is given where. No, it's not W-H-E-R-E, it's W-E-A-R, where. So try to solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so I hope you have written the answer. Let's solve 2 more and then I'll write the answer for all these 3 questions. Question M, N and O. Question N is, the boys dashed on the stage yesterday. Read the question. The boys dashed on the stage yesterday. Verb is dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Now try to find out the answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So what should be the answer? I hope you have written. Okay, at least you might have tried. Let's solve the last one and then you will see the answers for all these 3 questions. Question O. Tanya dashed when the postman arrived. So verb is here given is sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Find out the answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so let's see what are the answers for all these 3 questions. Question M, first of all, W-E-A-R, where will become W-E-A-R-I-N-G, wearing. Similarly here, dance will become dancing, but here dance word ends with the letter E. So we have to remove E, we have to eliminate E and add ing, so it will become D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. Similarly here, sleep will become sleeping just by adding ing. Okay, so half of the answers are solved. Let us solve the second half part, or I should say first half part. He dashed wearing a blue shirt in the morning. So can you say he were wearing? No. Can you say he is wearing? You can say he is wearing, but is, when you used, it becomes present continuous. You have to make it past continuous. You cannot use is, am, are here. Can you say he was wearing? Yes, that is the correct answer. He was wearing a blue shirt in the morning. The boys dashed dancing. See, I emphasized on this even when I was reading the question for the first time. Boys, which indicates more than one boy. So boys were dancing. As boys is the plural, we are using were, not was. I hope you are checking your answers. Please make sure you have to change your answer if you have written incorrect answer, and you have to try to understand, because each of the answer I am explaining you most probably. So try to understand why such answers are there rather than just writing the answer. Okay. Question O. Tanya dashed sleeping when the postman arrived. Tanya might be the name of a girl or a lady. So Tanya were sleeping? No, that doesn't sound good. It is not right actually. Tanya was sleeping is the correct sentence formation. Because here Tanya is singular, we have to use was. With this, our exercise is over from the textbook. Now, in the second half part of the lecture, here we are going to solve worksheet questions, yes, of the same topic, past continuous, as we did it for the present continuous. So please give the heading in the rough book, worksheet, past continuous tense. Quickly give the heading. I'll wait for the couple of seconds. And please don't forget to write today's date. Now, the students who are having textbook, they also will have to write in the rough book. They have no options. But please make sure just write the answers. Don't write the question. I will pass on the PDF. Altogether, you know that 2 to 3 worksheets I pass together in the WhatsApp. At that time, you can write the questions, or you can just take the printout and practice it in the hard copy. Whichever way is feasible for you, you can do it. Let us get started. Now I will display the worksheet on the screen. Past progressive, that means past continuous practice. Now you have to complete the sentences using the correct form of past continuous tense of the verbs provided. Again, whatever you did in the textbook, the same thing you have to do, but here the extra questions are there. Even one example is given, and I know that you do not need the example because we have solved many sentences in the textbook exercise, textual exercises. Let us solve it here as well. I hope that you are holding the pencils. Please try not to write the questions because you will not get the sufficient enough time to write the questions. I suppose you are ready to solve it now. Okay, then let's get started. Question 1. The sun dashed when I woke up this morning. Shine is the verb given here. How can you make this past continuous? Think about it. Your time starts now. Please try to write the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so here shine will become shining. Let me just zoom in so that you can see the answers very clearly. Shine will become shining. Wait a minute. What is the spelling of shining? S-H-I-N-E-I-N-G? No. You have to remove E. Remember that rule? Whenever any verb given in the bracket is ending with E, you have to remove it and then you have to add ing. So shine, S-H-I-N-I-N-G. E is removed, it is eliminated. Then what? You have to either use was or were. Can you say the sun were shining? No, there is only one and only one sun in our solar system, in our Milky Way. The sun was shining when I woke up in this morning. Next, question 2. It dashed when I left the office. When I left the office. So here brackets, in the brackets option, here the verb is given rain. Please solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so I hope and I suppose that you might have solved the answer. I will give you now the answer after solving till question 5. So okay, let me draw the proper line here. Number 2. It dashed when I left the office. Rain was the verb. Let me give you one hint. Yes, you have solved this, but the hint is you have to add ing with all the verbs in the brackets because it is past continuous. I hope you are getting my point. Why am I repeating the same thing again and again? Number 3. I dashed dinner when you called me. Verb is eat, eat. So your time starts now. Try to solve it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, that is the end of the time to solve question 3. Now coming on to the next question, question 4. She got very sick while she dashed overseas. Right? Understand this? The verb here given is travel. You don't have to just add ing, you have to make one little change there before adding it. Anyways, I gave you the hint. Try to solve this question. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope that you have solved this question in the given time. Okay, and the last question, and then I'll give you the answers for all these questions. You can check your answers later. Number 5. Martin dashed in the garden when it started to rain. Yes, so the verb given in the bracket, you can see here, W-O-R-K, work. Yes, solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, now I'm going to write the answer one by one for all of this. It dashed rain. So rain will become raining. Similarly, eat will become eating. Similarly, travel will become traveling, but not very similarly. Here in traveling, we have to add ing. Yes, it is like here you can see the last letter is L. It is not, we don't have to change E or we don't have to remove L. In few words you have to. So it's very simple, traveling. I tried to make this question tough for you, but I hope that you have solved this way. Yes, the first half part I will solve it. Martin dashed work. Work will become working. Okay. Now, if you write this much, you will get half mark for a question. Now let us solve the first half part. It dashed raining. It were raining or it was raining? It was raining. I dashed eating. I was, I were. Again I told you when can you use I were, but here you have to use I was. And I hope that you are checking your answers. She got very sick while she dashed. She, pointing to one girl, singular, you have to use she was again here. Similarly, Martin dashed. Martin, again singular noun. So Martin was working. Please check your answers. You can see here from question 1 to 5, everywhere the helping verb is was, was. How coincidence, right? I hope you have written the answers and now you have checked your answers. So let's move towards the next 5 questions that will be the last 5 questions of the day. Number 6, I dashed dinner when the phone rang. Cook. So what can you do with it? Here the verb here given is cook. Try to solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. Next question. Mr. Johnson cut himself while he dashed. Option is shave. Quickly try to solve it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Question 8. She fell asleep while she dashed the movie. Option is watch. Solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. See, I'm going to write the answers for number 6 to 10 together as I did for 1 to 5. Please make sure you are writing the answers on your own. Question 9. Andrea broke her ankle when she dashed. See here, verb is given, skate. Try to solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, and the last question of the day. I saw a bad accident while I dashed home. Drive. Drive is the verb. Try to solve it. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so it's very simple here. I was, first of all, let me put the verb here. I was, cook will become cooking. You know, you have to just add ing. So I was cooking dinner. Then here, Mr. Johnson cut himself while he, talking about he, that means singular. So he was, and shave here, shav. Then you have to remove e and add ing, shaving. So whenever and wherever the last letter in the verb is e, you have to remove e and add ing. Same thing with here, she was. She was what? Watch will become watching by adding ing. Again here she, so answer will be she was. Skate will become skating, and yes, e will be removed, and then you have to add ing. I was drive. Drive here, e will be removed and ing will be added. Driving. So very easy this concept was, right? I hope that you enjoyed this and you will try to practice speaking even the past continuous, present continuous. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Goodbye.